7/7/2020 SHOP 3 minute. I also have a SHOP shop 60 minute behind me. Now, yesterday when shop made a high, shop sold down very aggressively, and it did yesterday. So let's talk about what shop did and how shop fell off of the cliff right here in our app. And then we have the big counter rally this morning, okay, with the bull run. He comes right back up to the neck, and then he comes down. And it was fairly strong all day. On the 3 minute, you had a $67 range, so it was 25.58 off of the high. But here's the deal: it was $41.42 off of the low, and that was a counter trend. On shop, here you go. Take a look at it right here. This was yesterday, and it was on 7/6. We make the high, and the high was 10.59. And from 10.59, it hit a low this morning of 9.73. If you do the math at how much that dropped, I'll show you right here. Here we have it here. That was an 86-point drop. Yes, it was, from the highs to this morning's low. Now, on the 60 minute, you can see this algorithm right here, which is used in the exchanges and option traders, and people just don't know it, and they don't. So you have this big 1, 2. Now, in our system, 1/4 delta, each line is $18.84. And you can see it right to the penny. I mean, it went up 1, there's 2, and it was working on 3. But we can see that we broke below this half bar, and you can see where these diamonds came in. And this is on the 60 minute. So shop still went out. In our view, you can see 1014 by 1014.74. Okay, let's say that. So, but on the 60 minute reversal, that volume that I'm looking at right here was a big volume, 450,000 shares. This volume right here was 373,000 shares, okay? And it starts off with a volume of 115,000 shares on the sell side. Now that we've come down, this is going to be the key tomorrow on the 60 minute on shop. If shop goes up, cannot top out up here at where this reversal had happened yesterday with the big counter rally today. And that counter rally was $67 range on SHOP. So let's let that be understood. And not only that, we just want to make it clear, and let's make this one part clear. The blue line is going down, going into the closing bell, which in this case on a 60 minute, it's a minute period moving average. So we can see that crossover. We can see where the big rally, we can see how we closed, and we closed up fairly strong compared to the intraday low of 9.73 and yesterday's high of 10.59. That's an 86-point reversal. And then the counter rally failed and didn't take this out on the way up to make new highs. So we'll be all over this option trade tomorrow, and it'll be a good one. And once again, we're here. We have the number 1 live trading room intraday, and you can get in there. We are the market maker in the option pit. So when it comes to the options, we're willing to show it to you, not just talk, but show it. So once again, we're going to look for support, top or resistance, and then if it goes up and fails, we'll go ahead and hit the put side on it, and then we'll see what the 60 minute ends up doing. That is the conclusion of SHOP, big round trip, 67-point move, still ended up 41.42 off of the low on our system, with 25.58 off of the highs. So once again, see you tomorrow.